Everything.
Tip it through.
Good girl.
Place. Sit. Place. Sit. Got that?
Good girl. Good girl.
We are here to pick up our 9-month-old puppy Tippet, and I personally cannot believe the change in her.
Yeah.
She was completely a non-listener when we brought her in, and she is a changed little puppy now, and happy. That was my biggest worry, is she wouldn't still be a happy puppy, but she is still a happy puppy. So a happy, obedient puppy.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.